Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, finally, the Lenovo Legion Phone Duel 2 is here with another gaming flagship. Following last year, the Legion Duel gaming phone, Lenovo is here with a successor, call it the Legion Duel 2. The standout feature here come in a Paris dual charging port, dual coding fans, two-liner motor for haptic, and two pairs for ultrasonic shoulder triggers. Side mounted pop-up selfie camera is here against, but with a 44 megapixel Samsung sensor. This time around, the AMOLED display has grown to 6.92 inch while keeping a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus support of its predecessor. Resolution is still capped at FHD plus 2460 by 1080p plus resolution. To be more precise, the panel now supports a peak brightness of 1300 nits, packed symmetrically bezels as there is no need for a selfie camera cutout, and a flanked by stereo speaker. Being a gamer-centric phone, the Legion Duel 2 has a really diverse set of extra control. There are a 2-4 touch point in the display, two pairs of ultrasonic shoulder trigger on the side frame, and a pair of capacitive keys on a back side of the device. The back design is also unique with its two square design interrupted by a glass island housing the camera cooling fans and the RGB Legion logo. The camera setup is identical to last year model with a 64 megapixel main shooter and a 16 megapixel ultra wide snapper. The two fans work in a tandem with the bottom on intaking hot air and passing it through the copper heat sink, while the top fan serves as a exhaust. Lenovo boosts 30% improvement in the thermal efficiency compared to the first Legion smartphone. The Snapdragon 888 is a take it with heavy lifting at speed with a 12, 16 gigabytes and 18 gigabytes RAM option, and the storage option is 256 and 512 gigabytes. The battery come at a 5500 mAh and is split between the two 2750 mAh cell. Charging through a one port a 65 watt speed, while an optical adapter bumps the combined speed up to 90 watt and can deliver a 100% charging in just a 30-minute. Lenovo battery protection system monitors heat and a charging speed of a optimum power delivery and a long-term battery preservation. The software front is covered by this Lenovo ZUI 12.5, which is based on Android 11. The phone come in ultimate black and a white color. The Legion Phone Duel will release in China later this month. The Legion Phone Duel 2, well, in Europe availability is casual May price starting 799 euro for a 12 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes model, and goes up to 999 euro for 16 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes model with a bundled charging dock. So this is the latest gaming smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new gaming smartphone, and like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.